Charlotte, RLET, is the largest city in the U.S. state of North Carolina. It is the seat of Mecklenburg County and the second largest city in the southeastern United States, just behind Jacksonville, Florida. Charlotte is the third fastest growing major city in the United States. In 2014, the estimated population of Charlotte according to the U.S. Census Bureau was 809,958, making it the 17th largest city in the United States based on population. The Charlotte metropolitan area ranks 22nd largest in the U.S. and had a 2014 population of 2,380,314. The Charlotte metropolitan area is part of a 16-county market region or combined statistical area with a 2014 U.S. Census population estimate of 2,537,990. Residents of Charlotte are referred to as Charlottans. It is listed as a Gamma Plus global city by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. Charlotte is home to the corporate headquarters of Bank of America and the East Coast operations of Wells Fargo, which among other financial operations makes it the second largest banking center in the United States. Among Charlotte's many notable attractions, some of the most popular include the Carolina Panthers of the National Football League, the Charlotte Hornets of the National Basketball Association, 2 NASCAR Sprint Cup races and the NASCAR All-Star Race, the Wells Fargo Championship, the NASCAR Hall of Fame, Carowinds Amusement Park, and the U.S. National Whitewater Center. Charlotte Douglas International Airport is a major international hub, and was ranked the 23rd busiest airport in the world by passenger traffic in 2013. Nicknamed the Queen City, Charlotte and its resident county received its name in honor of Charlotte of Mecklenburg-Strelitz, who had become Queen Consort of Great Britain the year before the city's founding. A second nickname derives from the American Revolutionary War, when British Commander General Cornwallis occupied the city but was driven out by hostile residents, prompting him to write that Charlotte was a hornet's nest of rebellion, leading to the nickname the Hornet's Nest. Charlotte has a humid subtropical climate. Charlotte is located several miles east of the Catawba River and southeast of Lake Norman, the largest man-made lake in North Carolina. Lake Wylie and Mountain Island Lake are two smaller man-made lakes located near the city. History: Mecklenburg County was initially part of Bath County of New Hanover Precinct, which became New Hanover County in 1729. The western portion of New Hanover split into Bladen County in 1734, its western portion splitting into Anson County in 1750. Mecklenburg County formed from Anson County in 1762, with further apportionment in 1792, with Cabarrus County formed from Mecklenburg, and in 1842, with Union County formed from Mecklenburg's southeastern portion. These areas were all part of one of the original 6 judicial, military districts of North Carolina known as the Salisbury District. The area that is now Charlotte was settled by people of European descent around 1755, when Thomas Spratt and his family settled near what is now the Elizabeth neighborhood. Thomas Polk, who later married Thomas Spratt's daughter, built his house by the intersection of 2 Native American trading paths between the Yadkin and Catawba rivers. One path ran north-south and was part of the Great Wagon Road. The second path ran east-west along what is now Trade Street. Within decades of Polk's settling, the area grew to become Charlottetown, incorporating in 1768. The crossroads, perched atop the Piedmont landscape, became the heart of uptown Charlotte. In 1770, surveyors marked the streets in a grid pattern for future development. The east-west trading path became Trade Street, and the Great Wagon Road became Tryon Street, in honor of William Tryon, a royal governor of colonial North Carolina. The intersection of Trade and Tryon, commonly known today as Trade and Tryon, or simply the Square, is more properly called Independence Square. While surveying the boundary between the Carolinas in 1772, William Moultrie stopped in Charlottetown, whose 5 or 6 houses were very ordinary, built of logs. In 1775, local leaders came together and signed the Mecklenburg Resolves, more popularly known as the Mecklenburg Declaration of Independence. While not a true declaration of independence from British rule, it is among the first such declarations that eventually led to the American Revolution. May 20th, the traditional date of the signing of the Declaration, is celebrated annually in Charlotte as McDec, with musket and cannon fire by reenactors in Independence Square. North Carolina's state flag and state seal also bear the date. After the American Revolution, Charlotte is traditionally considered the home of Southern Presbyterianism, but in the 19th century, numerous churches, including Presbyterian, Baptist, Methodist, Episcopalian, Lutheran, and Roman Catholic formed, eventually giving Charlotte the nickname, the City of Churches. In 1799, in nearby Cabarrus County, 12-year-old Conrad Reed found a 17-pound rock, which his family used as a doorstop. 3 years later, a jeweler determined it was nearly solid gold, paying the family a paltry $3.50. The first documented gold find in the United States of any consequence set off the nation's first gold rush. Many veins of gold were found in the area throughout the 18th and early 19th century, leading to the 1837 founding of the Charlotte Mint. North Carolina was the chief producer of gold in the United States until the Sierra Nevada find in 1848. Although the volume mined in the Charlotte area was dwarfed by subsequent rushes, some groups still pan for gold occasionally in local streams and creeks. The Reed Gold Mine operated until 1912. The Charlotte Mint was active until 1861, when Confederate forces seized it at the outbreak of the Civil War. The mint was not reopened at the war's end, but the building, albeit in a different location, now houses the Mint Museum of Art. The city's first boom came after the Civil War, as a cotton processing center and a railroad hub. Charlotte's city population at the 1880 census grew to 7,084. World War I. To present population grew again during World War I, when the U.S. government established Camp Green north of present-day Wilkinson Boulevard. Many soldiers and suppliers stayed after the war, launching an urban ascent that eventually overtook older city rivals along the Piedmont Crescent. The city's modern-day banking industry achieved prominence in the 1970s and 1980s, largely under the leadership of financier Hugh McColl. McColl transformed North Carolina National Bank into a formidable national player that through aggressive acquisitions became known as Nations Bank, eventually merging with Bank America to become Bank of America. Wachovia experienced similar growth, and was acquired by San Francisco-based Wells Fargo. Measured by control of assets, Charlotte is the second-largest banking headquarters in the United States, after New York City. On September 22, 1989, the city took a direct hit from Hurricane Hugo. With sustained winds of 69 miles per hour and gusts of 87 miles per hour in some locations, Hugo caused massive property damage, destroyed 80,000 trees, and knocked out electrical power to most of the population. Residents were without power for weeks, schools were closed for a week or more, and cleanup took months. The city was caught unprepared. Charlotte is 200 miles inland, and residents from coastal areas in both Carolinas often wait out hurricanes in Charlotte. In December 2002, Charlotte and much of central North Carolina were hit by an ice storm that resulted in more than 1.3 million people losing power. During an abnormally cold December, many were without power for weeks. Much of the damage was caused by Bradford pear trees, splitting apart under the weight of the ice. Geography. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 297.68 square miles. of which 297.08 square miles is land and 0.6 square miles is water. Charlotte lies at an elevation of 748 feet, as measured at Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Charlotte constitutes most of Mecklenburg County in the Carolina Piedmont. Charlotte Center City sits atop a long rise between two creeks, Sugar Creek and Irwin Creek, and was built on the gunnies of the St. Catharines and Rudeshall gold mines. Though the Catawba River and its lakes lie several miles west, there are no significant bodies of water or other geological features near the city center. Consequently, development has neither been constrained nor helped by waterways or ports that have contributed to many cities of similar size. The lack of these obstructions has contributed to Charlotte's growth as a highway, rail, and air transportation hub. Cityscape Charlotte has 199 neighborhoods radiating in all directions from Uptown Biddleville. The primary historic center of Charlotte's African American community is west of Uptown, starting at the Johnson C. Smith University campus and extending to the airport. East of the plaza and north of Central Avenue, Plaza Midwood is known for its international population, including East Europeans, Greeks, Middle Easterners, and Hispanics. North Tryon and the Sugar Creek area include several Asian American communities. Noda, north of Uptown, is an emerging center for arts and entertainment. Myers Park, Dilworth, and Eastover are home to some of Charlotte's oldest and largest houses, on tree-lined boulevards, with Freedom Park, arguably the city's favorite, nearby. In 2012, the urban section of Little Sugar Creek Greenway was completed, inspired in part by the San Antonio River Walk, and integral to Charlotte's extensive urban park system. It is a huge milestone, according to Gwen Cook, Greenway planner for Mecklenburg County Park and Recreation. Blossoming neighborhoods like Sedgefield, Dilworth, and South End are great examples of that. A prominent feature of the South Park neighborhood is the 120-acre Park Road Park. Far South Boulevard is home to a large Hispanic community. Many students, researchers, and affiliated professionals live near UNC Charlotte in the northeast area known as University City. The large area known as Southeast Charlotte is home to many golf communities, luxury developments, megachurches, the Jewish Community Center, and private schools. As undeveloped land within Mecklenburg has become scarce, many of these communities have expanded into Weddington and Waxhaw in Union County, Ballantine, far south Charlotte, and nearly every area on the I-485 perimeter, have seen extensive growth over the past 10 years. Since the 1980s in particular, Uptown Charlotte has undergone massive construction of buildings housing Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Hearst Corporation, Duke Energy, several hotels, and multiple condominium developments. Climate and environment. Charlotte, like much of the Piedmont region of the southeastern United States, has a humid subtropical climate. With 4 distinct seasons, the city itself is part of USDA Hardiness Zone 8A, transitioning to 7B in the suburbs in all directions except the south. Winters are short and generally cool, with a January daily average of 40.1 degrees Fahrenheit. On average, there are 59 nights per year that drop to or below freezing, and only 1.5 days that fail to rise above freezing. April is the driest month, with an average of 3.04 inches of precipitation. Summers are hot and humid, with a daily average in July of 78.5 degrees Fahrenheit. There is an average 44 days per year with highs at or above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Official record temperatures range from 104 degrees Fahrenheit, recorded 6 times, most recently on July 1, 2012, down to -5 degrees Fahrenheit as recently as January 21, 1985. The last of 3 occasions, the record cold daily maximum is 14 degrees Fahrenheit on February 12 in 1899, while, conversely, The record warm daily minimum is 82 degrees Fahrenheit on August 13, 1881. The average window for freezing temperatures is November 5 through March 30, allowing a growing season of 220 days. Charlotte is directly in the path of subtropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico as it heads up the eastern seaboard. Thus the city receives ample precipitation throughout the year, but also many clear, sunny days. Precipitation is generally less frequent in autumn than spring. On average, Charlotte receives 41.6 inches of precipitation annually, which is somewhat evenly distributed throughout the year. Although summer is slightly wetter, annual precipitation has historically ranged from 26.23 in 2001 to 68.44 in 1884. In addition, there is an average of 4.3 inches of snow, mainly in January and February and rarely December or March, with more frequent high storms and sleet mixed in with rain. Seasonal snowfall has historically ranged from trace amounts as recently as 2011-12 to 22.6 in 1959-60. These storms can have a major impact on the area, as they often pull tree limbs down on power lines and make driving hazardous. Demographics. The most recent U.S. Census estimate showed 809,958 residents living within Charlotte's city limits and 1,012,539 in Mecklenburg County. The combined statistical area, or trade area, of Charlotte, Concord, Gastonia, NCSC had a population of 2,537,990. Figures from the more comprehensive 2010 census show Charlotte's population density to be 948.7 per square kilometers. There are 319,918 housing units at an average density of 1,074.6 per square mile. According to the 2010 United States Census, the racial composition of Charlotte was white or Caucasian, 45.1%, Black or African American, 35.0%, Hispanic, 13.1%, Asian, 5.0%, Native American, 0.5%, Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander, 0.1%, some other race, 6.8%, two or more races, 2.7%. In 1970, the Census Bureau reported Charlotte's population as 30.2% black and 68.9% white. The median income for a household in the city is $48,670, and the median income for a family is $59,452. Males have a median income of $38,767 versus $29,218 for females. The per capita income for the city is $29,825. 10.6% of the population and 7.8% of families are below the poverty line. Out of the total population, 13.8% of those under the age of 18 and 9.7% of those 65 and older are living below the poverty line. Religion. Charlotte has historically been a Protestant city. It is the birthplace of Billy Graham, and is also the historic seat of Southern Presbyterianism. But the changing demographics of the city's increasing population have brought scores of new denominations and faiths. The Billy Graham Evangelistic Association, Wycliffe Bible Translators JAARS Center, and Sim Missions Organization make their homes in the Charlotte general area. In total, Charlotte proper has 700 places of worship. The Presbyterian Church still now is the fourth largest denomination in Charlotte, with 68,000 members and 206 congregations. The second largest Presbyterian denomination, the Presbyterian Church in America, has 43 churches and 12,000 members, followed by the Associate Reformed Presbyterian Church with 63 churches and 9,500 members. The Baptist Peace Fellowship of North America is headquartered in Charlotte, and both Reformed Theological Seminary and Gordon-Conwell Theological Seminary have campuses there. More recently, the religious studies academic departments of Charlotte's local colleges and universities have also grown considerably. The Advent Christian Church is headquartered in Charlotte. The Western North Carolina Annual Conference of the United Methodist Church is headquartered in Charlotte. The largest Protestant church in Charlotte, by attendance, is Elevation Church, an 8-year-old Southern Baptist church plant, founded by lead pastor Stephen Furtick. The church has over 15,000 congregants at 9 Charlotte locations. Charlotte's Cathedral of St. Patrick is the seat of the Bishop of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Charlotte. The traditional Latin Mass is offered by the Society of St. Pius X at St. Anthony Catholic Church in nearby Mount Holly. The traditional Latin Mass is also offered at St. Anne, Charlotte, a church under the jurisdiction of the Roman Catholic Bishop of Charlotte. St. Matthew Parish, located in the Ballantine neighborhood, is the largest Catholic parish with over 30,000 parishioners. The Greek Orthodox Church's Cathedral for North Carolina, Holy Trinity Cathedral, is located in Charlotte. Charlotte has the largest Jewish population in the Carolinas. Shalom Park, in South Charlotte, is the hub of the Jewish community, featuring 2 synagogues, Temple Israel and Temple Bethel, as well as a community center and the Charlotte Jewish Day School for grades K-5, and the headquarters of the Charlotte Jewish News. Most African Americans in Charlotte are Baptist affiliated with the National Baptist Convention, the largest predominantly African American denomination in the United States. African American Methodists are largely affiliated with either the African Methodist Episcopal Zion Church, whose headquarters is in Charlotte, or the African Methodist Episcopal Church. African American Pentecostals are represented by several organizations such as the United House of Prayer for All People, Church of God in Christ, and the United Holy Church of America. The largest religion in Charlotte is Christianity, with Baptists having the most adherents. The second largest Christian group is Roman Catholic, followed by Methodist and Presbyterian. Other Christian affiliates include Pentecostal, Lutheran, Episcopalian, Latter-day Saints, and other Christian churches including Eastern Orthodox and non-denominational. Judaism is the second largest religion after Christianity, followed by Eastern religions and Islam.